onions can cause more damage to your pets than just bad breath. This pungent culinary favorite might add flavor to your dishes, but it contains a toxin that can cause serious complications for pets. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe. Are onions toxic to pets? Yes. Onions contain a toxic principle known as N-propyl disulfide. This compound causes a breakdown of red blood cells, leading to anemia in pets. The toxin causes oxidative damage to your pet's red blood cells by attaching to the oxygen molecules in those cells. This reduces the ability of the red blood cells to carry oxygen and also tricks your pet's body into thinking that the blood cell is an invader. The red blood cell is destroyed in a process known as hemolysis, resulting in hemolytic anemia. If you think your pet may have eaten onions, look out for symptoms of anemia, including lethargy, weakness, decreased appetite, pale gums, fainting, reddish urine, vomiting. The most important thing you can do, as a pet owner, to treat and prevent onion toxicity is to never allow your pup to eat onions. If your pet is suffering from toxic effects, they will probably require veterinary attention. Your veterinarian may induce vomiting, depending on how recently your pet ate the onions, and will offer supportive care until your pet's body can produce enough healthy red blood cells to replace the damaged ones. In severe cases, your pet may require a blood transfusion. Onion toxicity can be fatal. The faster you get your pet to the veterinarian, the better your pup's chances, and you can prevent onion poisoning from recurring in the future by keeping onion dishes out of the reach of inquisitive noses. Try offering your pet carrots, cucumbers, or green beans as a healthy treat. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.